Hi everyone, and welcome to today's session on Excel with Accelerate. Um, Based on popular demand, we're going to be just looking at introduction to pivot tables. Okay, we're going to be doing an extensive practical sessions on pivot tables and pivot charts with slices and all that in our upcoming physical training happening in April 25th and the 2nd of May, 2 days intensive workshop and training exercise. So there we're going to dissect it and ask all the questions that can possibly come up. But first off, we're going to have like an introduction to the pivot table. So imagine you have data this large. We have data from this is 2013 too. You just have as many as 113,000 what's it called, rows, and the data is enormous. You can't just use your regular sort and filter here to get whatever you want for out of your data. Okay, so naturally, when you have a table like this, if you have a data set like this that has you have the year, you have the month, you have the age of excuse me please, the customers, you have gender, you have a lot of things that you could use to analyze your data and possibly ask, I know I have customers that are young, I don't have customers that are old, but which of these customers which of these customers buy the most from me, how much revenue do I get from these people. There's a whole lot you can get from the pivot table. So here we already have some formulas put in place to get the to get the age group of the customers, but that doesn't matter now. What we want to do is to know how to get the pivot table. Okay, so if we have this and we want to insert a pivot table, what do we do? So we go to insert. Okay, you have pivot table, and it'll ask me, where do you want to pick your data from? The data you want to put on the pivot table, where do you want to pick it up from? And I would say I want it to be on this range here. And the thing is, I have already named my table here as a sales table, so you can do that. We'll be looking into how to do that eventually, but not in this particular short video. Also, I want to start it off in a new worksheet and not this one. This one is already jam-packed as much as it can get. Okay, I would say I want a new worksheet, and it doesn't matter if I want, but I'm not working on any data model, but I can say I want to add this data to my data model. Okay, I say okay, and it starts to open up. Data is large, so let's hold on while it works. The net open. Here we go. Great. So it's open now, and now we have everything here on this part. You have the date, you have the month, you have the year. You pretty much have everything you want. So if we want to check how much we get from, so revenue is how much we made, okay, from country. So if we click country, it automatically goes to the rows. Okay, how much we made from the country, and how much did we get per gender. I would move the gender to my, okay, let me use filter. Okay, so now from this filter I could pick females. How much did females give me? So females in Australia gave me this. how much is this now? Okay, gave me 10 million Canada. These are the values that they gave to me, so I can also check for what the male folk gave me. So this is it. Okay, I can also bring this gender to columns, and it splits it for me instead of going to the filters to check what the females gave me, what the males gave me, and all that. Okay, you can do this for, I mean, as much you can check, you can insert the states. So because the state is an element of the country, it comes up on the different what's it called, countries. So here we can already tell what each gender in each state in each country contributed to the total, the grand total of the revenue, I mean, that was gotten from each of these countries. You can go all the way down. Okay, there's a lot that you could do, so let me show you a pivot table that we had done prior to now. So we use the same data. Okay, to spool out sales for 2012, 13, 14, 15 down to 16, and with that, different, we could do, the pivot charts. We had this as well. Like, I mean, there's a lot that can be done, but if we are to continue this video, it would be really large for us to upload for you. So we might have to just break this in sessions and see how we could get some of this done. But let me see if we can do just one other example. Okay, okay, now, so i can use conditional formatting to get um the, so in the female, where did we get, so if I highlight all this and I want to know which states gave us the highest in terms of females. Okay, I could go to conditional formatting and use data bars. So if I use this blue data bar, for instance, and I scroll all the way down, it shows me clearly that these guys in California are doing so well, and possibly even the ones that have done the most, compared to these guys that we thought that they had done well. So there are just a lot that you can quickly use the pivot table to figure out. Okay, so we've just been able to check, okay, so how did the gender fare in terms of revenue for different states in different countries. You could check how they fared by year and by product. Sorry, excuse me. So where did he put my year? He put it in values. No, I would rather put my year in filters for now so that I can easily check. Okay, in 2012, how did they fare? This is it. This is how they fared in 2020. We can check how they fared in 2015. Like, I mean, the opportunities and stuffs are endless. Pivot charts are a different ballgame entirely that we can look at a different time. Please comment if you want this data set to practice with. I'm going to give it to you anyway, don't mind me, sir. Please do also follow us on all social media platforms. Going forward, all videos will be dropped on YouTube, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our Twitter channel is there as well. We drop videos on Twitter every Monday to, just 2 minute short videos to give people tips and tricks on how to work better with Microsoft Excel. Please invite your friends and family to join our Telegram group, and do not forget, our training will be packed. We have a couple of facilitators that are going to come in, not just me, to teach you as much as you really need to learn to get better with the use of Excel. I mean, we're not even talking about data analytics and all that. Just learn how to use, Excel, and data analytics will come with it eventually. Okay. Um, please and please and please do register and pay for the training so that we can do as much as we need to on that day, and learn as well, because we're learning. It's all a learning process for every one of us in Accelerate. So see you guys next time, and be good.